Since yesterday, our security agencies, first responders, emergency services, and all other relevant agencies have been working diligently as they carry out search and rescue operations. Just this morning, another individual was recovered alive from the rubble. I want to assure, just like the emergency team members have validated, search and rescue operations will continue until all lives within the vicinity of the blast are accounted for. The further update we can provide at this time is that we have information regarding the company that was using that residence to store explosives. Rest assured that all that were involved directly and indirectly in bringing this tragedy upon us will be brought to book. It's a wake-up call, really, for all of us. So once again, I urge all to remain calm as the authorities in Oyo State are on top of the situation.
But the most disturbing issue is that those particular people that kept that explosives have been there for a very long time. And how come people keeping that kind of quantum of explosives over 10 years and nobody has seen anything? Disaster management is everybody's business. If you see something, you say something. If you see something, you say something. We are not on ground zero. We have lost more than 58, about 58 houses are damaged. We have lost about 3 lives have been lost. We don't know the number of people in the hospital. We are going to the hospital to ascertain. We are working hand in hand with the state government.